Hi, today we're going to talk about Scientology, and my presentation is titled Understanding Scientology. So, for the definition, Scientology is a religion that started in the 1950s, and it was created by a man named L. Ron Hubbard who used to write science fiction stories. In 1953, the Church of Scientology was officially created. Ibig sabihin, it became an organized group with formal beliefs and practices. Ngayon, Scientology is practiced all over the world. Ang main headquarter nito is in Los Angeles and marami din siyang mga centers kagaya ng mga kung paano natin nakikita yung churches, so may branches din siya. Next slide is about its origins and the founder. Si Ron Hubbard was born in 1911, so he wrote many science fiction books before starting Scientology. So in 1950, he wrote a book called Dianetics, The Modern Science of Mental Health, which you can see in this presentation sa right. And this book talk about how to improve mental health by dealing with negative experiences. So, parang naging guide siya to give people tools to feel better and live better lives. So, over time, Hubbard's ideas expanded from just self-help to include spiritual beliefs. Ibig sabihin, it started to become more like a religion na. Nagbago yung creation ng Scientology where the focus is not only on the mind but also on the spirit. So for their core beliefs, naniniwala sila sa Titan, which means each person has a Titan na more like immortal spirit or soul siya. Para siyang true essence of who you are beyond your physical body. So they also believe in reincarnation, which means the Titan is reborn into new bodies over many lifetimes. Parang kagaya ng sa ibang religions na naniniwala sila sa reincarnation na nabubuhay ulit. Ganon. And they also do believe in reactive mind, which stores negative memories called engrams. Yun yung tawag nila sa negative memories is engrams. Sila yung parang emotional scars that can cause problem and affect how we feel and behave. So, basically, parang trauma. Ganon. So, clear state is the goal to remove these engrams through a process called auditing. Yung auditing, yun yung parang process na mag-clear na yung mind mo para matanggal yung negative memories and para mabuhay ka ng masaya and healthy. Next is practices and rituals. So, auditing, yun nga yung special kind of counseling where you can talk about your past experiences, yun nga, para ma-clear yung engrams mo. So, on the right side, we can see a parang tool that is what they call an e-meter. So, during auditing, they use a device, yun nga yung e-meter, to measure how your body reacts. So, this helps to find the engrams. So, para siyang therapy. Nagiging, para maintindihan mo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. So, training routines or TRs, ito naman yung parang exercises that help Scientologists improve their communication skills and mental focus. Mental focus. So, for example, para ma-practice nila kung paano mag-eye contact and to ask and answer questions ng maayos. Yun yung training routine nila. Next is their organizational structure. So, the Church of Scientology is organized like a business. May different levels of authority sila. So, Religious Technology Center or RTC, ito yung group na tumutulong para ma-make sure na nafa-follow ng maigi, ng tama yung teachings ng Scientology. So, International Association of Scientologists or IAS, ito naman yung membership ng church. kung sino yung sumusuporta sa church, yung tawag sa kanila, IAS. So, C organization is the special group within Scientology. So, parang sila yung mga most dedicated member and mga elite group sila sa organization na yon. So, for the next slide, we have ethical teachings. So, they follow this set of principle code of honor. One principle is never desert a comrade in need, which means always help out fellow members. It's like having a set of rules to be a good friend and community member. Next is way to happiness. So, they encourage good behavior, like being honest and respectful. For example, is be competent, which means to try improve yourself and your skills. So, parang ito yung guide nila to live a happy and ethical life, similar to how other religions have commandments or rules for living. So, other example is do not harm a person of goodwill, which means you should avoid hurting people who mean well, just like other religions nga. So just like other churches, Scientology face controversies and criticisms too. So first is legal issues where various legal battles over tax exempt status, labor practices, and allegations of abuse. So I have read na they have members who they forced to get an abortion kasi nga parang nakikita nila yon na reason or way mo para tumiwalag sa church nila. So, pinipilit nilang magpa-abort yung mga nabubuntis na members. Public perception is mixed with significant criticism from ex-members and the media. Yun nga, parang na-judge sila ng, lalo na mga ex-members na nako-connect din, na napopost sila through social media. And celebrity involvement, so we all know Tom Cruise and John Travolta, they are a high profile members, kaya they have brought both attention and scrutiny sa church. So, syempre meron silang mga controversies and criticisms. Meron din naman silang mga mabubuting nagagawa. So, Scientology and Society, meron silang mga social programs. They call it Narconon or the Drug Rehabilitation Program. Criminon for criminal rehabilitation. Volunteer ministers, community supports during disasters. Tumutulong sila sa mga nasasalanta rin ng ng mga disasters like typhoon or landslides, ganon. So, meron din silang cultural impact na i-influence nila yung mga popular culture and media representations. So, that's it, and I hope you've learned something about the religion of Scientology. Thank you.